Busier.
Busier. So the tank has landed. We had a bit of a failure. The scrapyard, what would you say, mate? Never went to plan. What was mint, they'd put a fork through it to lift it up, and they'd smashed all the bulkhead and all the timber. So we just didn't bother. I think he bought a mirror for the glass, because you can see that one might be broken, and he bought the centre console because that one's broken. And what I'm doing right now is I'm using my grinder and I'm cutting the welds, because someone's ghetto fixed this one in. I suppose it's not, it is ghetto, it's not bolted, it should be bolted, but I'm cutting the welds and I'm removing it, as you can see. I'm going to pop that out first. Let's have a look. That's one down. 20 more to go.
Are we reserving?
What?
Are we reserving?
What does that mean?
Reserving it to sell it?
Yeah, I'm cutting down the sides off.
Is it coming away pretty sweet?
Oh, I just got to take my time. I've done them too.
Oh.
Just got to take my time.
That's going to be the fuckery.
Nice. Oh, so stage one is complete. And at least we've kept it so we can sell it on. So if someone wants back seats in the van, we got one. So now I'm going to do the same again with the front one. I'm going to cut these welds and then I'm going to have to drill these out, unfortunately. But halfway there. Easy bit's done though. This bit's going to be a bit of a pain in the dick. Calling it a day now. We'll continue tomorrow. I hope he's looking after you out there, giving you all the valuable knowledge and information that he holds. Let's charge this one at wall.
I want to ride my bicycle.
Nice. He's got the floor plan out. We've got the new one in place. We've had to trim some of the centre console very slightly. This is the one that we drilled all the spot welds out of at the scrapyard, which I don't know if we got that on video. Maybe, I don't know. We've got the welder ready. We're just going to disconnect his battery, and then I'm going to weld the spot welds back in to the van, and then we'll have a floor for his tank to be able to be mounted on, and then we can go valeting. Easy. First off, last on. What a bloke. It's Gaz the welder back. Time to weld the flooring.
That's the caddy floor welded in. Guys has welded it in. Nice. Step on. Everything needs a clean. I'm going to clean up the weld spots, give them a little splash of paint. And then in goes the bulkhead. All here. And then we'll put the ply lining in. Give it some carpet, maybe a lick of paint. Clean it all up. And it's a job's a good one. And I'm happy. Yeah. I'm happy.
Hey, welcome to Three Sisters Race Circuit. So this morning, just been about on the road for about 2 hours. Had a nice little drive up the motorway. Still a bit tired. Need to open me a nice monster to wake me up. But we're going drifting. I might have a walk around the pits, see if there's anything good. And no doubt we'll try and get a few different camera angles as we're drifting, and hopefully Grant makes us proud. See you when we're inside. Okay, I've got a confession. If you're still here and you've made it to the end, thank you. I'm editing this video a few weeks later. I don't know what's happened. Footage has got mixed up with other cameras and I've actually lost footage. I thought I'd just take this moment, put this video at the very end, just to explain what's happened. Cuss's van is there. We pretty much got everything we needed. The next video, I think it's a mix in between the Civic and the Caddy being done. Also, the painting that was on the unit, I didn't think I'd had it, and then I found it, and so I've added it just because, you know what I mean, everyone likes a bit of baseline, so I thought I'd throw it in there for you. At the same time as that, the drift day, we got there and we didn't record anything. Nothing at all. So you get the video footage of us going there, you get the video of us footage driving back, and that's it. I just want to put it right, that you know what's going on, because if you're expecting a drift video, there isn't going to be one of Three Sisters just yet. This editing ain't easy, but I am trying for you. I hope you're enjoying it all still. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Idiot!